Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up TikTok Shop and how you can easily make money with TikTok Shop. So the first thing that you're going to do here is open your TikTok application and then tap on this profile at the bottom right corner. Now here on your profile, just need to tap on the three lines at the top right. Then an option shows up. You just need to tap on the settings and privacy. Now here on settings and privacy, all you need to do here is tap on the privacy button. And here, you just need to disable this private account. And once you toggle off this private account, as you can see here, switch to public account. Anyone will be able to follow you and view your public posts. Anyone can do it with your videos. Anyone can stitch with your videos. And anyone can download your videos. So once you confirm you're switching to public account, you just need to tap on this switch button right here at the bottom. Now the next step here is go back to your profile page and then you just need to activate your business account. So to do that, you just need to tap on the three lines at the top right corner and then here an option shows up. You just need to tap on settings and privacy. Now once you tap this settings and privacy, you just need to tap on this account at the top. And here, you'll find an option here. Just need to tap on this switch to business account. Then on the next page, as you can see, welcome to business account. With the business account, you will get more business features in business suite. Your existing videos and contents won't be affected. So just need to tap on this next button here. And you will be learn about your audience, and you can reach more people and also access conversion tools. Now here just need to select the category that best describe your business account. So we have a lot of categories here, so we just scroll down, and because we have a business account, I just want to tap on this shopping and retail. So tap on next. Now here on this page, as you can see, you need to add your email to your profile to connect with your customers directly. So you can always change this later. So we just have to tap on this skip button and profile completed, create video now. You're ready to engage with your audience, post a TikTok video to introduce yourself to your followers and potential customers. So you can create now or you can create later. So I just want to tap maybe later. So you can see you're all set. Now you can access more tools to better connect with your customers and grow your business. Now we just need to set up now our business account or TikTok shop. So to do that, again, tap on the three lines at the top right corner and an option shows up here. So you can see, just need to tap on this creator tools. And from here, as you can see, you have the option to create a TikTok shop. You can create as a creator or as a seller. So for this example, I just want to tap this TikTok shop for creator. And here you will go to the next page. As you can see, feature your favorite products with TikTok shop. Now here, TikTok shop allows creators like you to showcase your favorite products. When you join, you'll be able to share products that people can buy directly from your videos. To facilitate your connection with sellers and agencies, your basic info, your live and video data, and relevant performance data will be shared with sellers and agencies through Creator Marketplace. Now to participate in this TikTok shop, accounts must be in good standing, meaning that you haven't get banned before. So you just need to follow the community guidelines and meet and maintain eligibility criteria, which include first, have over 1,000 followers, and the second, be at least 18 years old. But if you don't meet the requirements at this time, keep posting great content and apply it in the future. But if you meet the requirements here, as you can see, you will find the two check marks beside those two requirements. And then you just need to check this, agree to the creator terms of use and TikTok shop privacy policy. So once you've done here, tap on apply. And as you can see, congratulations, you can now sell and earn. Your application was approved and start earning by selling TikTok affiliate products. So you just need to tap on this start earning button here at the bottom. Now you will go on the next page. As you can see here, you can now start promoting products in TikTok. So get started in just 2 steps. So the step 1 is create a commission account, and the step 2, add products to your showcase tab from product marketplace. So to find out why promote products with TikTok Shop, here as you can see, you can monetize your content, you can access a huge range of products, and you can promote products and earn commission. Now to start, you need to tap on this go to step 1 button here. Now on the next page here, you are able to create a account commission. As you can see, set up an account to receive commissions. So make sure your name matches the name on your beneficiary account, or you may not be able to withdraw your commissions. So the name can't be changed once it is submitted. So you can enter your first name and then your last name. So once you've done, tap on this submit button. And here to confirm your name, you just need to again tap on this submit button. Here as you can see, account created, add just one product to start promoting products on TikTok. So this we want to add products here, tap on this button. Now here as you can see the available products in the marketplace that you can able to promote or showcase to your account. So you just choose right here a product that you want to sell on the TikTok shop. So you can see you're ready to promote products, post a video or go live to start promoting products. So to start with this action, so we just need to tap on this OK button. And you can also check your dashboard as you can see your product marketplace, manage showcase, your commissions, campaigns, live product set, and your video maker. Then a message pops up here saying that come back to TikTok shop soon. So TikTok here adding new products that we can choose from to earn a commission on every sale that we make. So we can find some entrance to TikTok shop from the showcase tab on your profile page. Now let's check your profile. Go to your profile page and then tap on that shop icon, and then you will find the product that you're going to sell. So that's how you basically set up your TikTok shop and how you can easily make money with this TikTok shop. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.